In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Yahoo Mail not working. Let's walk through a clear checklist you can follow from the simplest fixes to more specific account and email settings, so you can get back to your inbox without frustration. Start by confirming your internet connection is solid. Open a few other websites or a video stream to make sure your connection isn't dropping. If other sites are slow or failing, the issue may be your network, not Yahoo Mail. Next, refresh your browser environment. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove outdated files that can clash with Yahoo's site. After that, try opening Yahoo Mail in a different browser or in an incognito or private window. This strips away stored data and most custom settings, which helps isolate the problem. While you're at it, disable any browser extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or email-related add-ons that might interfere with loading or signing in. If things still feel sluggish, restart your router. Power it off for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on to refresh your connection with your internet provider. Now, let's make sure you can sign in properly. Carefully re-enter your email address and password, watching for typos or extra spaces. If possible, try logging in from a different device or another browser to rule out device-specific issues. If you can't access your account or you've forgotten your password, use Yahoo's account recovery process to reset your credentials securely. It's also worth checking your account status to ensure it hasn't been locked or suspended. If it has, follow Yahoo's prompts to restore access. If you can sign in but aren't seeing new emails, review your syncing and receiving settings. In your app or email client, confirm that email sync is enabled. If syncing still fails, remove your Yahoo Mail account from the app or client and add it again. This refreshes tokens and settings that may have become corrupted. Look through your filters and spam settings to make sure incoming messages aren't being redirected or blocked. Also check your storage. If your mailbox is near or over its limit, clear space by deleting large messages and emptying trash and spam. Hitting capacity can trigger rate limiting and block new mail temporarily. Finally, verify your IMAP and SMTP settings in your email client. Match Yahoo's official guidance, including security options. If you follow these steps in order, you'll pinpoint the issue quickly and restore Yahoo Mail to normal.